Modern meets rustic. Dogtrot Barndominium homes, design you'll love. Welcome to a design journey where tradition meets innovation, where the charm of rural architecture merges seamlessly with the comforts of contemporary living. In today's video, we're diving into a home concept that's capturing the imagination of homeowners, designers, and dreamers alike, the modern Dogtrot Barndominium. This style combines rustic elegance with sleek modern sensibilities, offering a living experience that feels both timeless and cutting edge. Whether you're planning to build your dream home or simply love exploring unique architectural styles, you'll find inspiration in every corner of this design. Let's begin by understanding what makes the Dogtrot Barndominium so special. The term Dogtrot originates from the early American South. It was a practical architectural solution created to deal with the intense heat and humidity of the region. Traditional Dogtrot homes were composed of two separate living areas connected by a central open breezeway, also known as the Dogtrot itself. This breezeway allowed air to flow freely through the home, providing natural ventilation before the era of air conditioning. The design served both functional and social purposes, acting as a communal space where families could gather, relax, and enjoy the breeze. Now, fast forward to today. Designers and homeowners are reviving the Dogtrot concept, giving it a fresh twist by blending it with the popular Barndominium style. A Barndominium, often called a barndo, is a home that resembles or repurposes a barn-like structure, typically featuring metal siding, open floor plans, and high ceilings. When you fuse the two concepts together, you get a modern Dogtrot Barndominium, a home that's deeply rooted in history, but with all the luxuries of modern life. One of the most striking aspects of this design is its ability to create harmony between indoor and outdoor living. The open breezeway at the center of the home doesn't just serve as a passageway, it becomes a focal point, a gathering space, a sanctuary. Whether it's used for entertaining guests, enjoying a morning coffee, or unwinding in the evening breeze, the breezeway transforms the home into an experience. It's a place where light, air, and nature are invited into the daily rhythm of life. In a world that's increasingly fast-paced and digital, having such a grounded, open space can bring a profound sense of calm and connection. But beyond just the breezeway, what truly sets the modern Dogtrot Barndominium apart is how it balances aesthetic beauty with practical living. The exterior typically showcases a mix of natural materials, wood, stone, and metal, creating a rustic yet refined appearance. You might see vertical metal siding paired with warm wooden accents, or a corrugated metal roof contrasted with large glass windows. These elements not only enhance curb appeal but also speak to the durability and efficiency of the structure. The design is as much about sustainability and function as it is about visual impact. Step inside, and you're welcomed into spacious, light-filled interiors. High ceilings and exposed beams echo the barn-inspired heritage, while polished concrete floors, minimalist lighting fixtures, and custom cabinetry bring in a clean, modern edge. Open concept layouts are a hallmark of the Barndominium trend, and in this design, they work beautifully. The living room, kitchen, and dining areas often flow seamlessly together, encouraging interaction and making the space feel larger than it is. One of the major appeals of this home style is the opportunity for customization. Whether you're a family with children, a couple looking for a peaceful retreat, or someone planning for multi-generational living, the modern Dogtrot Barndominium can adapt to your lifestyle. The separate wings on either side of the breezeway can be used for different purposes, such as bedrooms on one side and an office or guest suite on the other. Some homeowners even turn one wing into a rental unit or a studio space. The flexibility is unmatched, and the layout supports both privacy and connection in equal measure. Energy efficiency is another major plus. Because of the central breezeway and thoughtful window placement, these homes often rely less on artificial cooling. Natural airflow can significantly reduce energy bills, especially in warmer climates. And when paired with modern insulation, smart home technology, and solar panels, the modern Dogtrot Barndominium becomes an eco-conscious dream home. Let's talk a bit more about the emotional side of design, because homes are more than just buildings. They're places where memories are made, where relationships grow, where we recharge and find peace. The Dogtrot layout encourages a slower, more intentional way of living. It draws you outside, invites you to sit in the breeze, watch the sunset, or listen to the sounds of nature. The connection between indoor comfort and outdoor serenity is not just architectural, it's deeply personal. It reflects a desire to live more mindfully, to embrace simplicity without sacrificing style. And while this design pays homage to history, it doesn't feel outdated. In fact, it feels fresh, relevant, and incredibly smart. It recognizes that true luxury isn't about excess. It's about space, light, air, and flow. It's about creating a home that supports how we live now, while honoring how people lived before us. Many homeowners are also drawn to the cost-effectiveness of barndominiums. Compared to traditional custom homes, barndominiums can often be built more quickly and at a lower cost per square foot, depending on materials and location. The Dogtrot design can simplify construction by using symmetrical layouts and modular planning, which can further reduce building complexity. Plus, the open floor plan means fewer interior walls, making it easier to change and evolve the space over time. Let's not forget about the exterior living potential. The breezeway can be extended into patios, decks, or even outdoor kitchens. Fire pits, hanging lights, garden planters, and water features can transform the outdoor space into an extension of the home. It's perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying time with loved ones in a peaceful environment. And because the breezeway is usually covered, it can be enjoyed year-round in many climates. For those who love DIY or self-sufficiency, this home style is incredibly appealing. The barn-inspired shell can accommodate workshops, garages, and storage spaces with ease. You can even add loft areas for extra bedrooms, offices, or creative studios. There's a sense of freedom in the design, freedom to build, to personalize, to live on your own terms. In closing, the modern Dogtrot Barndominium is more than a trend. It's a thoughtful response to the way people want to live today. It honors the past while embracing the future. It offers comfort without clutter, elegance without extravagance, and warmth without waste. It's a home that breathes, welcomes, and adapts. Whether you're a fan of architecture, planning your next home, or simply love exploring beautiful design, the Dogtrot Barndominium is a concept that truly deserves your attention. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video gave you inspiration and ideas for your own home journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who dreams of a beautiful space where modern living meets rustic charm.